Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the universal law of gravitation. Universal law of gravitation states that every object in the universe attracts every another objects with a force which is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. We calculate force is along the line joining the centers of two objects. Let two objects A and B of masses m1 and m2 lie at a distance of d from each other as shown in the figure. Let the force of attraction between two objects is F. According to the universal law of gravitation, the force between two objects is directly proportional to the product of their masses. That is, F is directly proportional to m1 into m2. It is the product of their masses. And also the force between two objects is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. That is, F is inversely proportional to square of D. Combining these two equations, we get F is directly proportional to m1 into m2 by D square. When we remove the sign of proportionality, we add a proportionality constant. In this case, we add capital G. So, we remove proportionality sign and we get F is equal to G m1 into m2 by d square, where G is the constant of proportionality and it is called the universal gravitation constant. The value of G is 6.673 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So, the unit of G is Newton meter square per kg square. We get it from the formula. The unit of force is Newton. The distance unit is meter square. Meter here distance is in a square, so we get meter square, and the unit of mass is kg. So we get from the formula, we can see G is equal to F into d square by m1 into m2. So their unit should be Newton meter square per kg square. Thank you.